Hi everyone, this is Teacher Hazetee, and today we're gonna have another tech tutorial. I'm gonna teach you how to transfer your files from your smartphone to your laptop or desktop and vice versa, and we're going to do that via an app from Microsoft. So let's check it out. And we're back with another episode of Teacher Hasty. And today, like what I told you, we'll be transferring files from your phone to your laptop or desktop and vice versa. And we'll do that very quickly because to help us is an online service from Microsoft plus a mobile app. So let's just head over to Play Store and install Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. Install that and click open. So once we open the file, you will see now the home page. Sorry, ito yung home page. And then you will be seeing here a plus button and the actions button. So what you need to press is the actions button and you'll find there transfer files. Click that and you can now see an instruction to go to transfer.office.com on your computer, and that's what we will be doing now. Open your browser first on your laptop and then go to transfer.office.com. So just wait for the browser to display the page, transfer.office.com, and let's go back now to my phone. You will be choosing whether you will send the file or send or receive a file. Just a reminder that files more than 30 MB are not allowed to be transferred. Okay? So, ayan. Now, we are seeing that there's a QR code already displayed on my laptop screen. So, I'm gonna choose now send. I'm going to send a file and we're going to scan the QR code on my screen. And as you can see, there will be a code displayed on both devices. So, you just have to click pair on your laptop and pair on your phone. So we'll be clicking browse to look for the files that we need to transfer to the laptop. So I'm gonna choose a file that's safe for me to open in front of you. So let me just choose a document. Siguro to na lang, memo, because that's safe. Ayan. So we see now the progress in our phone. And we are waiting for the progress, ayan, to load on our laptop. Ayan. So you see now, we have 36%, pero sent na siya dito. And will be waiting na lang for the laptop to receive the file. 66 and counting. Ayan. We're nearing 90% and we're done. So the laptop has received the file in no less than 2 minutes. Now we'll be waiting for a pop-up window to appear because you'll be now choosing the download location of the file. So I'm gonna save it here na lang sa documents because that's the safest location. So I can get back to it later. Ayan. So we already received the file. So it's a PDF file. Let's wait for it to download completely. Ayan. So it's finished. And now, click that, open. Ayan. So it's not corrupted. Ayan. So it works perfectly fine. Ito pala ay bylaws namin sa SSG. Okay. So let's close that and do another transfer. So we can just click the back button and disconnect. Ayan. And we will be disconnected as well here. So disconnect na natin siya. Okay. Now we'll be having another process. So we have here another QR code displayed on screen, and now we're going to transfer again, but this time from the laptop to our smartphone. So just click receive, scan again the QR code you see on screen, and There. Click the pair on both devices to confirm the code. Ayan. And choose now the files to send. So, let's choose a document that's safe for me to open right before your eyes. Wait lang. Just gonna choose one that won't harm any one of us. Ito na lang, itong lesson in mathematics. So this was a document I created when I had my talk last week. So ayan. You see now the progress. So mabilis siya. Wala pang 30 seconds nga yata. Ayan. So there you have it. We already received the file. So I'm just gonna click that open. And there is the file now. Okay. A PDF document. So again, PDFs, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint slide decks are okay. But videos, I don't think so. And GIFs as well. So I just hope that Microsoft will be offering other file types to be accommodated by this file transfer service. And it's amazing because you don't need to connect your phone to your laptop via a data card anymore for fear that your phone might be infected with malware or something. So yon. Another thing is that it's a time saver. So as you saw naman in my tutorial, it only took less than 2 minutes for us to transfer files to and fro my two devices right here. And with that, I hope you learned something from our tech tutorial. And this is Teacher Hazetee. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, to click the bell button so that you will be updated of my future uploads.